Hey guys, Engineer Pat coming to you with CS6 YN2 totals. This post was on CS6 Locomotives. They put it up about 2 hours ago. It's given the YN2 totals by model type as of the 1st of September. So, listen carefully to the following counts. CW44AH, I believe they're the 500 series on CSX. There are 44 of those left in YN2. AC4400 CWs, 281 units. Dash 9Ws for a total of 36. Dash 8Ws, 102. SD70 ACs, there are 4 left. SD60Ms and 60Is, 1 of each left. SD50-2s, there are 2 of them left. SD40-2s, there are 10 of them left in YN2. GP40-2s, there's 2 left. GP30-2s, there are 4 left. GP38-2S, which is a downgrade GP40-2, there's 1 of those left, and 1 SW1500 that remains in YN2. For the EMD models, there's a grand total of 26. For General Electric, it's 463 units for a grand total of 489 units that are still in YN2 as of the 1st of September. So if you see a YN2 unit, get your pictures of it now because they're going to be eventually gone. So, but anyway, that's the big announcement right now. I don't know if anything else right now, but if more announcements come up, announcement videos will be posted. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace out, guys.